Sure, I'm Jeffrey Mormel. I'm the CEO of ALX Systems, and what we do is providing autonomous drone solution, super low cost for deep strike and counter-UAS interceptors. Absolutely. So it's a full Belgian design and production. So we design as well the drone, the electronic. We develop the software, the AI, to provide a full solution end-to-end, dedicated to please the customer in deep strike and counter-UAS stuff. So our goal was to meet the guys in here because almost all Europe and part of the world are here today. So it's very important for us to be able to see also the market and how it's developing, what exists and what doesn't really exist, and be able to position ourselves on the global map of the market.
Good morning, I'm Cedric Van Rossum. I'm the CEO and one of the co-founders of the MIRMEX Motor. So here at Eurosatory we are exhibiting and showing our micromotors. So we are micromotor designer and maker, so we build them in Walloon. And those are characterized by the fact that they are super dense in terms of performance. So for us it's always a question of performance per unit of volume, and that's why people come here to get them from us. First, it's always smaller, always stronger. So that's the key principle for going forward. And expanding as well our reach with new offices, new people joining our company, because we have a super strong technology developed historically at the university in Belgium, but not so many people know today that we exist. Partnership with reps, so people who can defend our colors locally in their country, or partnership with integrators, so those who will put different sub-assemblies around the motor for control, for gearboxes and things like this.
Yeah, so my name is Erwan Alnadufrote and I am a project leader of IDDEA. It's mean International Digital Defense Equipment Agency. So what we're doing is software called MEGA. Our software, it's an offline AI to identify and recognize military equipment. We are more looking for industrial that are already produced vehicles or drones and to embed our solution inside their products. So as I said, we propose identification tools, but we're going to identify the specific model of the vehicles, and we will give the confidence score about the specific model, but also we give all the combat capabilities of this vehicle. So it can be the armaments, the protection, the munitions they use, everything like that. No, it's totally offline. It works totally offline. The only thing that we have to download the database before going in missions. So the database and the model are embedded in the vehicle, in the solution, but that's all.
So my name is Didier Miller. I work for the group Dekimo. For the Belgian part of Dekimo, the office based in Louvain-la-Neuve, but we are part of a group, Belgian-owned group, present in Belgium, France, Germany and the Netherlands. So we have two main activities. The first one is developing electronic devices. So we can develop an electronic device from scratch, from A to Z. Mainly we focus on the development of the electronic part as well hardware as software embedded part, but we can also develop the whole product and produce it in our factories in Belgium. For the most cases we work together with great groups in defense, for example, to help them for a part, specific expertise that they need for their electronics developments or for the software embedded. That's the first part of our activities. The second part is consultancy. We have a consultant presence for electronics, expert in electronics, IT, but also project manager in defense companies. But also, we're not only in defense, we're also in aerospace, medtech. So we're more generalist, but defense is today a great focus for us. Dekimo was already working with defense ecosystem, so for us it's not something new, but it's important for us to be there to meet our existing customers, but also to make new relationships and speak about R&D projects which are developed today to reinforce the European sovereignty in the domain of defense.
So my name is Jean-Christophe Armstrong. I'm in charge of the business development for defense and security at SpaceBel. SpaceBel is a Walloon Belgian company active in the software for space. So we are covering the whole value of chain of the space software segment. The company has been created about 40 years ago with our HQ located in Liège. We also have office in Oulart and Toulouse. So about our activities, we have 5 departments. The first one is the flight segment. We are providing onboard software for satellite platform, payload and satellite subsystems. The second one is the ground segment, where we are providing turnkey mission and control centers, cloud-based ground segment solutions. Third one is modeling and simulation. So for satellite operational simulators, for mission control, onboard computer simulation, software validation. The fourth one is about data management. We are providing digital data infrastructure from data acquisition to dissemination. And finally, AI and Earth observation application, mainly so far in the civilian environment, forestry, agriculture, mining, disaster management and defense. That's in a nutshell the 5 departments of SpaceBel. So for SpaceBel, Eurosatory is a first experience because we strongly believe that what we are doing and the way that we are recognized in the civil environment can be of interest for the defense sector as well. So we are really pleased to be here at Eurosatory and share our experience and expertise with the defense stakeholders.
So I'm Bertrand Henry, I'm the co-founder and co-CEO of the company AnyShape in Belgium. We are fully dedicated to additive manufacturing, mainly in plastic and mainly in metal, also plastic, dedicated in aerospace and defense application. So we are organized in 3 main pillars. The first one is the design engineering department. The second one is the backbone of the AnyShape is producing parts for customers. And we also have different metallurgy, metallography, metrology labs to ensure the quality of the material and the device we produce. We've been selected by Airbus Defence and Space 2 weeks ago to be the fully provider of the additive manufacturing parts within the Eurodrone. So it's a multi-annual contract and we will be in charge of delivering the parts for the next 8 years. So it's a great achievement for the team. It's been almost 8 years of qualification and so on. So it's a very, very good achievement for us, yeah. Well, yeah, aerospace and defense is already 55% of our turnover. We see that defense is growing more and more. So we have already in contact with, let's say, the big OEMs from the defense application in Belgium, but also in Europe. And we are here to enlarge the contact we may have with the big OEMs. And as of today, it's been quite a good show, a massive show, but it's very interesting, yeah.
My name is Joris Poot. I'm a retired sales manager and I work as a consultant for Sobelcomp. Our company helps its customers with their problems for weight and strength. We can transform a metal part into a composite part. So you have the same specifications as in a metal part, but you have less weight, about 30%. Sobelcomp is located in Liège, and about 30% of our turnover comes from defense. So we are here with a double purpose. We want to have a contact with our customers and we want to make new contacts. And so we need every year new projects, new customers, and also we have new processes. So that's why we are here.
So I'm Eros Gabellini. I'm Vice President of Sales at GDTech Group. And GDTech is an engineering company that since 35 years is supporting our customer in their design phase with numerical tools. So we are very skilled in digital engineering. So we can help our customer to build their model in order to predict the operational behavior under mechanical loads, thermal loads, fluid loads. We do also multi-physics system engineering, controls, and digital twin. At the end, we deliver a digital twin to our customers so that they can predict the behavior of their system. So that's what we do. And we do that in different industries. Historically, we are, since the beginning of the company, in aerospace and defense industry. But then, of course, we expand in energy, oil and gas, automotive, especially new mobilities when we have hybridization and electrification of propulsion. Yeah, absolutely. We are here for two reasons. We have a lot of customers that are present with their booths. We invite them to come and visit us. We visit them, of course. And also, of course, it's the best place to find new opportunities. It's an industry really booming. And so we have so many competencies that we can bring to help even new customers to do their job, do it right at the first time. And then, of course, we are here also because we have a mission as an engineering company, also to provide not only the knowledge, but the engineering tools, so we can also look for partners to help our expansion geographically and in terms of industrial perimeter.
My name is Tobias Keller. I work by RIPEnergy Switzerland, that is part of RIPEnergy Belgium. That's also partner of or member of the CET group in Belgium. Inside in the group, we are focused on the defense market, but mostly on tracked and wheeled vehicles, so land vehicles, for the conversion of energy. That means from the battery to the product. We have a lot of international business, and here are a lot of our direct contacts, mostly system integrators like Thales or GDELS. So most of the time there was meetings also organized beforehand.
My name is Denis Potier. I am the plant manager of Belgium Coatings. Belgium Coatings was born in 1975. There are presently 50 workers. We have a department specialized in high precision finishing of metallic, composite and plastic surfaces. In this department, we are specialized in the coating of complicated pieces with precise marking and specific requirements. It's the first time we are present in Eurosatory. We want that our customer and so on know Belgium Coating.
Yeah, for sure. Christophe Lefebvre. I'm Business Development Manager of MPP, located in Liège. We are a provider of non-destructive testing services. So non-destructive testing deal with quality control of critical parts, of added value parts. We mainly work for aerospace, defense and space. And we certify that produced manufactured parts or additive parts and other ones are of good quality, can fly and are safe and reliable for passengers or other operations. So MPP has been working in defense for many years now. So we have several customers who exhibit here, and we are always interested in finding new partners. So this is why we are here, reinforce existing partnerships and build new ones. As an international exhibition, it's also a good opportunity to prospect new international markets. MPP has founded a new company in Montreal last year, so a good opportunity to find new partners for this new company and extend our activity on a broader range.
So my name is Louis Delieu. I work as Business Development Manager for Europe for AGC Plasma Technology Solutions. We are a division of AGC Glass Europe, which is a global flat glass manufacturer. So we are engineering and supplying vacuum coating equipment for diverse kinds of markets. We are promoting equipment for textile applications. The goal is to be able to apply a metallic coating on textile for infrared camouflage. And we are as well promoting solutions for running optical coating on lenses. We have managed to sell different equipment for telescope applications, notably for ESO, European South Observatory, in the desert of Chile, where we supply true equipment for the mirror coating there. This is a quite nice reference that we are really proud of. We are already, let's say, partnering with different research centers in the context of developing new coating process, where those partners are qualifying the process, and we are then supporting their customer into the industrial scaling up.